kynhun Special Investigation Team ki pulit ka Meghalaya haka Sngi Baar kilele ialam ya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi lembat kilai ngut ki paralok jongka sha Sohra ban pynwan biang ya ka rukom pyniap ya ukurim ka Sonam Raja Raghuvanshi kebala jia haka apply tarik Jymmang. Kini kilai ngut ki kentub ya Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan badu Anand Kurmi kibiri kibiriu kibala Buddin ya Raja bad ka Sonam nadu na Guwahati shadu nong rian. Ya kini kisuba nong penyap beriu la ialam Sohra hapadeng kecing pahara ke berjur Phah bat layu iru bat kipulit kila sertap ya kathan bamarjan ke kshat wei saudong bat kiar kudru ya kecaka besyak penyap uraja ban pynwan biang ya ke kepala jia ya uni unong wan le honeymoon na indur ha kini ka Sngi. Kynhun SIT la ialam ningkong ya kini kisangut syamau lakiat kasnong kabadan halinti benit chenong riat kecaka ke bau raja bat ke Sonam leit samit hakawi ke homestay balatip kum ke shipara homestay. Hang ni kynhun kala penlong ya kejing tokit bat nang ni pat kala ialam sasya kajaka penyengkali hak syad wei saudong ban pynwan ya kisabut bala ialam ha kajing pyniap ya Raja Raghuvanshi. Kynhun SIT kala Phah kedo bat batai bniah bakumno kini runar kila pyniap ya Raja bat ki kebala ele pat ya ka met jong Raja hadin beglade pyniap. Ke SIT kala batha bakin batai bakumno kila mi ni phetno nakate kajaka banwan phai shishilong.
Explore more into this. If there are other angles, if there's a financial angle, if somebody was to gain from Raja's death, like you said, if Raja was going to bag a contract, we will verify all these. In fact, right now as we are speaking, my team is there in Indore. They have gone to the flat of the flat where Sonam was kept. They've conducted search out there. The flat is empty, and but they will be camping in Indore for actually questioning a lot of things. No, Raja was not known. These three were not known to Raja. In fact, once they made friends, and since the plan was known to Sonam and these three people, so when they said that they'll go to Dauki, Raja automatically made friends with them because they're from. They had said that they're going to MP, also to Dauki. And so they made plans together that from here they'd go to Dauki. See, as of now, because you see, you have, number one is, in this day and age, you have Google, you have GPS and all that. So it's not very difficult actually to get to the main road. Okay, so it'll show you the closest approach to get to the main road. It's not very difficult in this day and age. And but regarding whether they came, none of these people have visited Shillong before. However, we will still investigate in this matter if actually they had prior information in this place or they've visited this place prior to this incident. Well, we'll take a call on that. I'll have to sit with the in charge SIT and his team and all that, whether, they will let me know whether they still require some more days. Perhaps they will.